Hey, I'm Kirsty at IKEA, and in honour of National Relaxation Day, we're looking at how, as the summer fades, you can keep hold of that feeling of being rested and recharged, especially as new, busy autumn routines might start kicking in. Recently, I've been helping bloggers Katie and Emma with some simple ideas and solutions for how to keep that positive feeling going. My first candidate is Katie, who's a busy mum of 4, and with the whole family spending more time at home at the minute, she's looking for a fun space to relax with her husband. We've armed Katie with some simple solutions and ideas for creating a cosy space for her and her husband. Hi Katie, how are you?
Hi Kirsty, nice to meet you. I'm great, thank you.
How are things at home at the minute?
Well, noisy, obviously, a bit chaotic. Every day is quite tricky with all the kids in the house, but ultimately we're safe and we're happy and we're all good.
So I guess we need to give you a bit of a hand finding some space where you and your husband can get away from it all and relax in the evening.
Yeah, well, we never spend any time together anymore. You know what it's like. So that'd be great. Yes, please.
Perfect. So what I'm thinking is that we could have some fun with this and maybe help you create a kind of cinema den for the evening so you can have a bit of a date night at home. How does that sound?
Love the sound of that. Love it.
So what I'm thinking is first thing first, we're going to need to move all of the stuff in your living room to one side so that you've kind of got like a blank floor space that you can work with. So I'm also thinking we'll get lots of layers. So if you bring down the duvets that you've got and maybe like some floor cushions, kind of set up like a real nice, cozy, comfy space for you guys to lay down and just make it a bit of an evening of it. How's that sound?
All about the layers. Love the sound of that.
Yeah, and then it might be a good opportunity. Like I've seen your Instagram is full of kind of different colors and patterns, and you're not afraid to kind of try different combinations there. So I think maybe we can play with that as well.
Yeah, I'm not comfortable. I'm not happy unless I'm surrounded by colour and pattern. Love it.
So what we'll do is we'll look at some greens and yellow tones because they're really good for kind of calming, relaxation. But then we might throw in some warmer tones as well, just kind of give a bit of energy to the area.
Brilliant. Goes with lots of nice botanicals as well. Love green.
Yeah, I was gonna say it'd be really good to get some plants in the area because obviously we know how good they are for your mental health and your well-being and just I just love being surrounded by plants and I think most of us do.
Me too.
The other thing I think would be really good is if we get you some kind of tray table. I don't know if you've seen those, but you can prep all your snacks into the kitchen and then just bring it straight through and then have them all there on a little side table.
Because a movie night is not a movie night unless you've got snacks, right?
Exactly, like lots of dime and popcorn.
Absolutely.
This month, I'm working with IKEA and their amazing in-store team. They have set me the challenge of creating an adult indoor den. I can't wait to take some time for each other, to be able to rest, relax, recharge, and probably reclaim some of the space back that the kids have taken over in this house. Our house is loud, it's chaotic, it's messy, it's full of fun, full of laughter, but often it can be hard to find a space where you can truly relax. What I'm going to do today is find somewhere that I can dedicate to myself and Chris. So, what am I going to do? Well, first of all, I'm going to put the children in bed early, and then I'm going to create an amazing den in this space behind me. Think twinkly lights, lots of layers, pillows, cushions, plants. There always has to be plants. They are so good for you. Snacks, always snacks, and then it's going to be a movie, and then hopefully I'll be able to feel that weight lift from my shoulders. So what are we waiting for? Let's go do it! So my challenge with IKEA is to get all of these wonderful colourful pieces and turn them into something special by putting them in here. Just here. So let's turn this into something special. I really love this space. Finally, a place we can hide away and truly relax. This den has been so fun to create, and now we get to enjoy it.
Up next is Emma, another busy mum who with 3 boys at home is after a space for her to relax in while still being able to watch the boys play.
Hi, I'm Kirsty. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Yeah, really good. You doing all right?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I understand you're having a few problems relaxing at the minute and finding space for yourself.
Well, we've got a busy household, got 3 young boys, and there's just kind of stuff and people everywhere.
That sounds like you've definitely got your hands full, bless you. So then I guess it'd be really good if we could create you a little space of your own so that you can take some time away and relax and kind of put your feet up of an evening when they've all gone to bed, yeah?
Totally, yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking to create. We've had to move a bit of furniture around to allow for our little ones' crawling antics. And I'm somebody that, likes to be able to obviously watch and be aware of my kids and make sure that they're safe. But I like to have space for me amidst that, somewhere where I can have a hot drink or read a magazine or flick through social media or something. And so that's the space I'm really, really looking forward to creating.
Okay, so then you've got a space in mind already that you've kind of already picked out by the sounds of it?
Yes, so we've already moved out the table. And do you want me to show you the space?
Yeah, that would be amazing.
This is the space as it is. And we used to have our table here.
Okay, yeah.
And now it's just a big kind of gaping floor. On the weekend, I picked up this rocking chair from a charity shop, which I love. But again, it's a bit bare and kind of needs something.
Yeah, we can definitely do something with that. It looks like it's got loads of great potential, but it looks a little bit unloved at the minute. So I think we can certainly help you out with that. Perfect. So I'm thinking, firstly, it's great that you've picked a spot by a window because it's really nice to have that natural light. That will obviously keep the summer sun coming in throughout the evenings, which is brilliant. But we have got a blind which will let some of that sunlight in still, whilst also giving you a bit of privacy. So if you ever have any people out in the garden or anyone passing by, they kind of won't be able to peer in and see you. Okay. So you've got that is a great combination. And then all of our blinds are also safe for children, so it's really good in a family home. And then it looks like you've already picked a chair, but obviously you need to grab a chair and bring that into that space. And the rocking chair is great. I would just suggest that we need to put some big comfy cushions on it, maybe a throw, particularly as it starts to get a bit cooler in autumn. I think a throw will be really nice to have. And then the other thing I think we should maybe look at doing is using a jute rug or something on the floor to kind of zone off the space. So the other thing is a jute rug will be really tactile and really soft and really nice, but it will kind of separate off that space a little bit from what you've got going on currently.
Yeah. So these are really good ideas, and I'm excited to see the potential transformation I can do. I definitely like the idea of a rug and soft furnishings and plants.
The other thing to maybe think about as well is a reading light in your corner. And then other than that, I think you just need to grab your favourite cup of tea or coffee and just enjoy the space that you create.
Yeah, I'm excited, and I think it will be a great little corner, kiddie chaos.
I look forward to seeing what you create.
Thank you. Thanks for all your advice.
Hi everyone, my name's Emma from Mummalina, and here I am in what was our eating room or our dining room. As you can see, it's a pretty empty space right now because as of this weekend, we actually moved our dining table out of this space into a different area, and we're now going to be using this space as a playroom. So this is going to be where our 3 kids hang out and play, and we're undergoing a little transformation of the space, and with the help of IKEA, I am planning to create a little cozy mama nook right over there, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm doing that today. I had an amazing consultation with one of the guys at IKEA, and she taught me through some really, really good little tips that I'm hopefully going to be putting into place today. So I'm going to show you how we're going to create this space and how amidst the playroom and the potential chaos and mess, I hopefully will have a little space right over there to be able to sit back in, relax, read a book, have a cup of tea, who knows what else, whilst hopefully the kids play peacefully around me. So let's get going.
Okay, so I've got some softness with the rug, which I'm really excited about. Next, I'm going to add this vintage rocking chair that I got from a charity shop. Now I'm going to add a couple of soft furnishings, this lovely pillow and this super soft throw. Next up, I definitely need something to put my cup of tea on, so I'm going to quickly pop in some pillows and cushions because the table has some awesome storage. I've got these super soft, lovely throws and blanket from IKEA. Perfect. I'll definitely need something to pop my feet up, and this is perfect. Put that right there. Okay, now for a little bit of furniture. I absolutely love this lamp, so I'm going to pop that on the table next to the chair. I'm just going to hide the wire with a little basket of toys. Okay, now any decent space definitely needs some plants in my opinion. What do you think? What's missing? Books. I think there's only one thing left. A nice cup of tea. This is bliss. I'm super happy with this corner. Hopefully it's gonna allow me to relax, watch the kids, but have my own space where I can kind of decompress, read a book, have a tea. Yay! Thank you so much, IKEA.
Hopefully today we've shown you some ideas and inspiration for how to find your balance and create time for relaxation in your home. Life is all about balance.